For the past two videos, we have already spoken about what exact things do we get in this update and what all are the list of iPhone devices that will be receiving this update. But the big question is, when do you exactly get this iPhone update on your own iPhone? So the said Shubham here, you're watching UnZip Tech, and in this video we'll be talking about when will be the official rollout of iOS 26 and how would we get prepared for it. So let's get updated together. So let me break down what strategy I have used to analyze when exactly we'll be getting the update. So Apple follows a pretty consistent cycle every year while rolling out this update. So the iOS 26 was first announced at the WWDC in June 2025. Since then, the developers and the public beta testers are still trying it out. So the official stable release should be scheduled somewhere around after the iPhone 17 series launch, which event was already scheduled for 9th of September 2025. Usually Apple rollouts the update within a few days of the keynotes, so that we can expect it somewhere mid around the September 2025. Talking about the global update, you will be able to receive it as soon as it gets rolled out, because usually Apple rollouts the update all over the world at the same time. Within 24 to 48 hours, almost every eligible iPhone user will be able to download this update worldwide. That means no matter what, where do you live, you'll still be getting the iOS 26 at the same time as everyone. But there are some key points that you need to be prepared with. Before the update, make sure to back up your device with the iCloud or iTunes. It is just recommended to keep your data safe. There is no harm that gets caused after updating the phone. But still, to be on the safer side, better to update your phone prior. Then free up enough storage space so that you can update it properly. At least have somewhere around 8 to 10 GBs already freed up just for the update itself. This is just a recommended one, okay? It can be within that range as well. Plug into the Wi-Fi and keep your phone fully charged. You can also connect your charger and put it on update. That will be good. If you're not aware how exactly do you upgrade to this iOS 26, just head on to the settings app in your iPhone, open general settings and then go to software update, tab on download and install, and your phone will get upgraded to iOS 26. The pro tip over here can be, if you're not able to see the update immediately after the rollout, just wait for a few more hours. Sometimes Apple rolls out this update in a wave format, so it takes somewhat time to get it rolled out till you as well. So that was all about this video. If you like the video, do hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel so that you can get technically upgraded with me together, and do share this video with your friends who are already on the previous iOS version. So that's it for today. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.